Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much for watching my previous videos. Today's video is going to be basically focusing on how to get started drop shipping on one of the sites that I've mentioned in my past videos. So we're going to be focusing today on eBay. Most importantly, manual drop shipping on eBay. Now to get started, why are we basically going to be doing manual drop shipping? Well, manual drop shipping basically costs less to get started. The fees are much cheaper in order to do drop shipping and so forth. Also, when doing manual drop shipping, you avoid being flagged. Now what that means basically is you can use softwares in order to sell on Amazon. You can use softwares to sell on eBay, and also you can use softwares to sell on Amazon. However, using softwares as of 2019 on the eBay platform is basically banned, as you can see. So what eBay has basically put in place is that once you put a software in order to list items, your account could be flagged, which will basically reduce sales, or you can be suspended completely and inevitably. So manual dropshipping is basically a new way in which you can list and sell on eBay without being flagged. Manual dropshipping on eBay can also be easy to manage, and there's less barriers as opposed to when having a software where you can run into all sorts of problems and troubles and these sorts of things. So we're going to learn how to dropship on eBay manually. What will be covered in this course today? Well, today we'll be covering basically the steps in order to get signed up from scratch, linking your PayPal account. Of recent, eBay has put in place a payment method where they're moving the monies through themselves through Payoneer, and then the money is sent to your local bank account or your US account or wherever part of the world you are. So we're going to go through linking your PayPal account. I think it takes like about a month or two before you can actually activate the payment processing through eBay. We're going to be opening a basic store today, listing our first item in order to activate our seller hub, and so you guys are going to see what it looks like and so forth. So let's get started. Alright, so you're going to come to ebay.com, and on the top left hand corner you're going to see sign in and register. Well, you don't have an account as yet. When you have an account, you click on sign in. So we're going to register today. When you get to this page, you're going to basically fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, the password, and then you're going to click on create an account. Alright, so you finish signing up, you're going to be forwarded back to the home page. You're then going to click on my eBay, that's on your top right, and you're going to come down to selling. Click on selling, and they're going to bring you back to this page. Now this page is basically going to fill out all your contact information. Here you're going to choose your country, whether it's Greece, Germany, the US. Here you're going to put in your address, your city, your state, postal code, your mobile number. You're going to click on continue. Once you have all that filled up, you're going to be forwarded to a page that says list your first item. But before we do that, let's go to our account settings. Alright, so we're back here. We're going to come here, click on account settings, personal information, provide contact information. Basically going to verify your email address. That's where you're going to send you an email. You log in and you click on the link. You're going to also ask you to verify your phone number. You're going to send either SMS or going to call your number. And you can verify your phone number. We're then going to come to payment information. This is where we're going to click on payments. Going to come down to your PayPal account. Alright, so I tried linking the PayPal account. However, as you can see, they no longer allow you to add PayPal accounts. So we're going to figure this out. Let's try to list an item and see what happens. However, before listing the item, I just received this message to say that the account is suspended. Why? I have no idea. But anyway, I'm still going to show you how to create that listing. Alright guys, I paused the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll have to retake and make a part 2 on how you can basically where to open the basic store, where to list your item, activate your seller hub, and put in all your appropriate addresses. So I'll record that and place up as a part 2 for our next video. I'm so sorry guys that happened. I'll have to go create a new eBay account and I'll get back to you guys. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next